If you want to stop new followers' notifications on X, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. This is a simple way to reduce notification clutter, so you only see the alerts that matter most to you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open X on your phone or in your browser and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once the settings page opens, tap Notifications. Next, go into Preferences. Next, choose Push Notifications. This is where you can control which alerts appear on your device. Now look for new followers in the list and toggle it off. As soon as you switch it off, X will stop sending you push alerts every time someone follows your account. That's it. You've successfully blocked new follower notifications on X. No more unnecessary pop-ups, no more extra alerts, just a cleaner notification feed. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.